Yeah, this is the Handyman live, okay? Live and direct. Yeah. That's how we do it. Now let's see. Got some work to be done. Alright. Good. I'm on my way to do some work here. So as you see the view, yeah, we gotta follow these things here. We're on our way. Do certain things. Driving on the yellow line. My father, what happened to him? What happened to this guy driving on the yellow line? Okay. Yeah, that's me following my father with the business vehicle, so he can go drive this big bus to make some extra money on Flatbush. So probably in the future I'll be driving this to do my handyman work by myself. That means I won't need my father as a driver. Empty this whole seat here, turn it to a cargo van, so make more money, get some more workers. All right. So I'm just here driving, following my father to his place so I can go park this vehicle and go fix somebody's computer. And probably this week do some sofa breakdown, install some security cameras in Queens. And what else we gotta do? And do some chair coverings, a little here and there. Listen, if you see this video, just Google JP Samedy. JPSAMEDY. Alright? Put that on your web browser and you see all my portfolio, all the work that I do with pictures, videos, and whatever you can look into. Alright, let me focus on the road now. Stay put, people. Now we're on 86 heading down to East 40 past Utica. We're in Brooklyn, New York. We go as far as PA, Connecticut, Jersey, Staten Island, Long Island, Queens, Bronx, Manhattan. price is right, we'll be there. And people, don't forget, we take all major credit cards, cash, checks. We also have a new thing with subscribing, so you know, you put a down payment and pay monthly. So we have that 12-month plan, 9-month plan. We have a next 4-month plan and a weekly plan. So I soon update my website. You'll see all of that. Look out for handymanservicecall.com. Alright.
Notification from YouTube telling Sir English Bolivia's government.
Yeah.
Notification from Android system Wi-Fi networks available.
Yeah. Working so hard, I gotta start eating though. Work. Don't eat, it's not healthy. I love to work, but I don't like to eat. That don't mix. Gotta eat, then work. Alright? Take that from me.
Notification from Android system Wi-Fi networks available.
Yeah. People, you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google Plus, Tango, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. You'll find Handyman there. Remember, the business name is Handyman Furniture and Household Services, okay? 347-565-8249. Get your service appointment set by going to our website, handymanservicecall.com. Alright, link it to service requests or request service. Fill in that form, send it in, set your appointment, and be served. Alright? You can pay for your services online with all major credit cards. Paint your apartment or divide a room, partition with doors, we do that. Light floor tiling, we grout, sheetrock. So we're here to do all that, so check us out. Handyman on the move. June 5th, 2018. Where this thing coming from now?
Notification from Android system Wi-Fi networks available.
Okay. JP on the move. Oh yeah. This is the view in Brooklyn, New York today. Not bad, nice and sunny. Yeah. What's up? Okay. How you doing? Almost reached my destination.
Notification from Android system Wi-Fi networks available.
Yeah, a lot of networks available here, yeah. Okay. All right. Now, listen, we do open box setups, IKEA furnitures, flat box, we do all that stuff, Whatever you have, just call it in, give you a quote, and get it set up for you, alright? I'm on the road.
Notification from Android system Wi-Fi networks available.
All right. I reached my destination, but I gotta wait because this side is no good. All right, people. Handyman is here. I guess you see this face when you subscribe or when you request service. Till next time, peace. All right, there you go. I'll take this damn key out. Yeah. Ah? No, but from Pakil. Ou bay ma pon registre la? Is Don't forget. Yeah, this is it.